Shane from 107 Media here, and just wanted to show you some of the stuff that we use to capture our footage. We've got in-car footage that we capture, trackside footage that we capture, interview footage, the specky, glossy, slow-mo crap. We get a lot of different footage. So today we're going to do our in-car stuff because some people think we use very complicated rigs to do it. We do not. We have an army of GoPros. That's pretty much all we use. We use GoPro 7s. We did have 7 GoPro 7s. However, the recent XL Nationals, one did unfortunately pass on. But we have, so now we have 6, but we have approximately 27 batteries that we use. And that may seem like a lot, but generally because of the environment that these cameras work in, they tend to expire very quickly, very quickly. So one race, which is about 15-20 minutes, is all we generally get out of them before the battery goes flat. And of course those batteries are rated for hours, so yeah, a bit annoying. But there is no actual high temp batteries that we can find for GoPros. The extreme batteries are all for snowboarding and all the crap like that, not motorsport stuff. So that's what we use in the car. We use these mounting clips. We can use other clips such as suction cups and things like that. It depends on where we're mounting it in the car. But as a general rule, this keeps the drivers happy because they feel like it's not going to go anywhere. So we've got the Manfrotto clip at the bottom, Joby ball head, and then a couple of generic cages and stuff on top, just to make it all nice and easy. It is about probably 500 grams, so we try and keep it as light as possible because of car weight restrictions, but sometimes, we can't help it. We can use smaller ones if it is a concern for the driver. And then inside the cards, we actually use 512 gig cards, and they just last for pretty much a whole race meet because we're cycling through so many cameras. So that's pretty much it. We have them set on to be -1 or -2 on EV, and that's so that we can capture the inside and the outside of the car without blowing out the outside of the car or making the inside of the car look dark. So that's it. That's how we capture our in-car footage. And if you've got any questions, drop it in the comments down below. And stay tuned for our next video on one of our other bits and pieces of tech gear. Goodbye.